I have not made a notary video in a minute, but here we go. Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking with you guys about sale and purchase transactions for notary and loan signing agents. So if you're interested, keep watching. First, I have to give credit to Martin's Notary Services. I watched one of her videos not too long ago, and she has a YouTube channel, she has an Instagram, and she just recently started on TikTok. She was explaining how she noticed a shift from refinance to purchase loans. And obviously we work in the real estate industry, so whatever's happening in your local market is going to affect you. I know for me in the state of New Jersey, it has been a seller's market, and so there's been more purchase loans happening than refis. So with that being said, if you're experiencing a similar boom, but you're still very new, then you probably have little to no experience with the purchase transaction. I'm going to give you the major takeaways and the major differences between the refi and the purchase transaction, and I'm gonna try to do it in under 5 minutes, so let's get into it. So the major difference is that first off, when you're doing a refi, you only meet with the borrowers. Whereas in a purchase transaction, you're going to meet with the seller and the buyer. Now, because of COVID, you might still only meet with one party in this transaction, but under normal conditions, you would meet with both. And also, there is a possibility that a signing agent will be representing one of the other parties. So most times you will do the entire transaction for both parties, but it is not impossible for you to show up to the table and there's another closing agent with you. Okay, so there's also different sets of papers that are important to both sides of the transaction. So for the seller, you're gonna have a deed that conveys that they actually own the property that they're about to sell. And that's one of the most important papers in the package for a seller. Whereas on the other hand, the entire package is super important for the buyer. So a lot of the documents that you see in a purchase transaction is actually very similar to a refi, but I'm actually gonna give you a list of documents that you would not find in a refinance, but that you would find in a purchase. The first one is going to be the certification for no information reporting on the sale or exchange of a principal residence. The second is going to be the transferor's affidavit, also known as the seller's affidavit. The third is going to be notification to buyer on deposition. Now, this might have a different title in your state. So the next one is going to be a notification from buyer on deposition, which also may have a different title in your state. Premium invoice for a home warranty policy is also in there. And lastly, the residential disclosure report. So these major documents will not be found in a refi. You might be unfamiliar with them. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you want me to go over these specific documents in detail. I will do a part 2. Down in the comment section below, I'm going to give you a list of documents that you would find in your typical purchase transaction as well. So if you wanted to do more in-depth research, at least you have a starting point. Okay, and so from a seller's perspective, the most important documents you're going to have is a grant deed, which is an acknowledgement. And then you're also going to have, wait, let me read it, homeowner's policy of title insurance affidavit, which is a jurat. I hope that this video was super helpful to you guys. If you want me to go into more detail on the exact documents that you will find and how to fill them out, I can do that. I just need you to do me a favor. I need you to like, comment, subscribe. I need you to thumbs up. I need you to leave comments. I need you to let me know that this is the type of content that you want to see, and I will drop another video for you. Hopefully this quick overview of a purchase transaction was super helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.